Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.8-inch IPS touchscreen special for vehicle universal. Okay, let me unbox review. This can go. This head unit. Okay, let me show the honey set first. You can check this adapter connector on back of the head unit. And there are 3 USB cable. You can check 1, 2, 3. USB cable connect back this LAN cable. Okay, this Wi-Fi antenna and this GPS antenna and this screws. This is audio cable sub out. This sub out you can check, and this audio front, rear, left, and right output. This amp power amplifier 12 voltage. Okay, and this AUX input left and right, and this is reserve video input and AV input. Okay, let me show you. Okay, you can check back of the unit, and there HDMI and 4G. This 4G SIM card slot, and you can check back this GPS, this power fuse, and Wi-Fi antenna. This TV, this radio antenna, this audio out, and you can check this 12 voltage power. Please do not plug this panel screen with power electronic. You can check their reset hole, and USB, and this connect this AUX factory AUX, this microphone, built-in microphone. Okay, you can attention screw with marks. Please do not run screen install head unit. Okay, it will broken motherboard in head unit. can check this screw. This screw, you can fix this. It will move. You can check move left and right. And also adjust this panel with up and down, left and right. Okay, let me connect the back. Please make sure there is this connector. This you can check. Do not connect the reserve. Okay. Put it with tight. Okay, and insert it with screws. You can fix these screws with buttons. Check. Okay, let me power head unit. Okay. Okay, you can check this front UI interface and this home screen. This volume you can adjust. This Wi-Fi, this DSP amplifier. You can adjust. This heavy metal. This date and time. And OFs are here. This wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's high resolution. And let me check OS. Check the settings. About system, you can check the head units. RAM 6 GB and total 128 GB. Screen resolution, you can check high resolution. Okay, it's about head units. This network and also supports the you can connect to Wi-Fi, and this display is sound, general settings, sleep time, temperature, steering wheel controls, reserve radar system, and other settings, voice, language. You can add a language. It supports all languages. And system factory data reset. Small settings. It's Android system. Okay, this is settings, and built in the Google Maps and music, Bluetooth, radio. This search button, you can search the radio stations when you connect the radio antenna. This video, this settings, it's a DSP amplifier, and this phone link. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. You can close those apps. Clear all. Okay, that's all. Thank you.